Enjoy transitional style and a brand new feel. This sophisticated home in West Miami was 100% remodeled in 2019, including impact glass doors and windows, new electric, new AC, PVC plumbing, and a new roof. The floor plan is all one level with an open concept, including the chef's kitchen, with quartz countertops and Samsung stainless appliances. Live in harmonious spaces that flow with stunning porcelain tile floors, plantation shutters, and recessed lighting. This bedroom has an exterior door and serves as an ideal home office. The front bedroom has a walk-in closet and Jack and Jill bath with marble and glass shower, floating vanity, and lighted mirror. This gorgeous home features just under 2,000 square feet of living area with a total of 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The primary bedroom is sublime, with generous proportions, a walk-in closet revealed behind the barn door, and luxurious ensuite bathroom with marble walk-in shower and oversized vanity. Savor a South Florida lifestyle with an inviting outdoor living space, complete with built-in grill, private closure hedge, and sprinkler system. This is what dreams are made of.